Check out this beautiful 1965 Mustang Fastback. This is a beautiful car, white with the red pinstripes. Paint's in really good condition. So are the pins. Yeah, this is a gorgeous car, absolutely gorgeous car. Love that modified Shelby hood. Underneath we have a V8. This is originally a C code, which is a 289, but we have modified it with some nice power, some performance. Yeah, this thing's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the interior too. Love the matching red to match that pinstripe. Gorgeous. Also a 5-speed manual transmission. Yeah, it's a really beautiful car, and she sounds mean. Sounds so mean. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and crank her up just so we can hear it. Oh yeah. It's a fun vehicle. But let me go ahead and grab one of our guys here and we'll take it for a spin. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna open her up on the road here. Nice and smooth. We're not going all over the road either. Very smooth. Very, very smooth. I'm a fan of this. Also, manual cars are just way better in my opinion. You really get the feel, the visceral experience of driving a vehicle like this. I mean, we shifted quite nice. She was definitely smooth. See how she downshifts. Also very nice. Yeah, I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Let's go ahead and open her up one more time before we head back to the shop. Yeah, this is a really smooth driving car. Feels very sturdy, very safe. I mean, I drive a lot of these, and sometimes, you know, they're a little squirrely, but this is definitely a very solid, very good running vehicle. So I definitely trust it. It's a lot of fun. But let's head back to the shop, get her on the lift, and take a peek at the undercarriage. All right, she's up in the air. Just want to also show you guys this front bumper. The chrome is in really good condition, very mirror-like. And also we have a very solid undercarriage as well. No rust. We have some extra bracing here, which is probably what contributes to such a smooth drive. But I mean, it's always a pleasure to see an undercarriage that's taken care of. A lot of the guys, they take care of the exterior, they take care of the interior, but I've gotten under here many times to see a ton of rust, and that's not the case here. Nice and sealed up properly. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Runs great, looks great, sounds great. I mean, it's just it's a Mustang. It's a 65 Fastback, baby. There's nothing like it. Beautiful cars, beautiful cars. So if you guys are looking for more information, you can find this car on our website, skywayclassics.com. We'd love to hear from you guys too. Shoot us an email, give us a phone call. We'll see you next time.